Noodle, what you doing? Come here. You're my good boy. Yeah. People like to watch you, Noodle. Yeah. They think you're a good boy. Yeah. They hear how loud you purr. Yeah. And that you love your mommy. Yeah. Who's a good boy? You are. Okay. Say hello to everyone on Monday, November the 10th. Yeah. It's a snowy day out, isn't it? Isn't it, Noodle? Yeah. You're gonna be bored today, aren't you? Yes, you're gonna need my attention more today, aren't you? Yes. That's okay. Okay. Yeah. Are we done? Okay, we're done.